Welcome to activity 2. For activity 2, remember, you must have your goggles on at all times when drones are on. So my drone is on, my goggles must stay on. Right, before you start the activity, you need to check the battery power of your drone. In the corner, you'll see two little battery pictures. One of them is the drone, and the little one next to it is the controller. The drone one must have at least 2 bars. If it is less than 2, please change your battery in your drone. For activity 2, you will need a table, preferably a square one. If not, that is okay. And you'll need the coloured landing mats. What you will do is you will put a landing mat in 4 separate places on your table. Your job now is to launch and land on each mat. As you do this, remember to hold the L1. So remember, goggles on and the L1 to launch. So we hold that, and our drone will launch. Using these controllers, I need to carefully steer my drone to the mats. Remember to do it very slowly. Don't push it fast, just little flips. Once you think you are over top, hold the L1 to land. Once you have landed on one of the coloured squares, then it's your job to try and launch it again and get it to land on a different coloured square. Alright? Once you've done that coloured square, again launch it and land on a different coloured square until such time as you have landed on all 4 coloured landing squares. Once you have done that, right, make sure that you go from the last square back to the first square. You can take turns between squares, or you can take turns between finishing a round of 4 squares. That is activity 2. Please remember, you must have your goggles on at all times. Thank you.